Chapter 3, Decimals. First type of decimal is like decimal. Like decimals are the decimal which has same number of decimal places like 2.3, 1.4, 6.3. Okay, these all have same number of decimal places. Like after decimals, same number of digits are equal. Like in this there is one digit after decimal, in this also one digit after decimal, in this also one digit after decimal. Second is unlike decimals. Unlike decimals. So in unlike decimals, unequal number of digits after decimal, like 2.31, 1.4, 6.300. Okay, these are unlike decimals. Okay, next is how to convert decimal into fraction. So like if it is 2.31, just remove the decimal, and after decimal there are two digits, so just write 100 under it. If it is 1.4, just remove the decimal, after decimal there is one digit, you can write 10 in denominator. Okay, in similar way we can convert decimal into fraction. And if we want to convert fraction into decimal, like it is 2 by 5, if we want to convert it into decimals, so what we have to do, 2 divided by 5. Okay, just divide numerator by denominator. So 2 is not divisible, so just mark a decimal here and you can bring one 0, and 5 4s are 20. So 2 upon 5 is equals to 0.4. Okay, next, how to add decimal numbers. Like it is 2.3 plus 1.4 plus 6.3. If we want to add them, okay, if I increase decimal numbers, okay, if I want to add them, just arrange them in proper columns, put decimal after decimal. Okay, it will be 1.4 and 6.32. Okay, just arrange them in column, and then remaining part is same as when जो हम normal करते हैं addition, वैसा ही है. Okay, जो blank spaces है, you can write 0 here. So 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 3 10, 0 1 carry. Okay, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 6 10. So the answer is 10.03 when we are adding them. Okay, if I want to subtract 23.05 from 25, first we have to arrange them in column. So 25 from 25, so we have to write 25 first. So 25 and then 23 point. If there is nothing, you can write 0.00. There is nothing after decimal, only 25 is there. 25 is the whole number. After that you can mark decimal and can add 0 as much you want. Okay, now subtract them. 10, 9 and 4. Now 10 minus 5 will be 5, 9 minus 0 will be 9, 4 minus 3 will be 1, and 2 minus 2 will be 0. In this way we can subtract decimals. Next is multiplication of decimals. Now 3.21 multiplied by 0.15, if I want to multiply them. Okay, arrange them like this. Now start from right hand side. 5 1s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16. Next is it, that is 1, 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3. No need to multiply it by 0. 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. Now add them. 5 1, 6 plus 2 8, 3 plus 1 4. Now count number of digits after decimal. Now count number of digits after decimal. There are 2 digits in the first number after decimal, and in second number also there are 2 digits. So 2 plus 2, 4 digits are there after the decimal. So we have to mark decimal after 4 digits. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So mark it like this. Okay. Now if we want to multiply any number by 0, zeros like multiple of 0 like 10, 100, 1000. So we can directly add 0 behind them. No need to do all this process. Just we can 3.35 multiplied by 100. Okay, just add 2 zeros after them and count number of digits after decimal. There are 2 digits after decimal and there is no digit after decimal. So after 2 digits we will mark decimal. 1, 2. Start counting from right hand side. Always count from right hand side. 1, 2. After 2 digits we will mark decimal. Okay, so it is 335. So next topic is division of decimals. If we want to divide a number like 132 divided by 12. Okay, 1.32 divided by 1.2. Okay, first of all we can remove the decimals. If we remove decimal from denominator, there is 1 digit after decimal, so write 10 in numerator. Okay, if we remove decimal from numerator, then there are 2 digits after decimal, we will mark zeros in denominators. Okay, so now it is 132 multiplied by 10 and 112 multiplied by 100. Now we can subtract zeros. Equal number of zeros agar hai, so we can cut them, and now it is 132 and 120. 32 and 120. Now we have to perform the division. 132 and 120. So 120 ones are 120. 2, 1, bring decimal 0, 120. Okay, so it is 1.1. That's it. All the best.